started off as a hot dog place only, and we bought the building, and Susie said, "Oh, it's too big for just hot dogs. Let's make it a cafe." And so that's how the name came about. Good home cooking is all it is. We're back to basics. We make our breakfast is all from scratch. The gravy is made from scratch. The biscuits are made from scratch.
It has grown. We are blessed beyond compare. It is amazing what our customers mean to us, and vice versa. We have customers that are essentially family to us, and that's the best gift I think we could have.
We drive a bus for Putnam City, and I don't know, one day we just spontaneously decided to try it. And we typically come after our morning route and eat breakfast, and then we have a midday route that we both have to do. So we come eat breakfast after morning route. Their breakfast is the best breakfast in town. Their corn dogs are better than anything I've found. Nobody makes a corn dog like you used to get at the fair in the 60s and 70s, but their corn dogs are really, really tasty.
We like the small town atmosphere. We like the owners. They're all congenial. They come by and visit with you. And my wife loves the popcorn. She eats 2 bowls every time.
These grits here are awesome. I don't even like grits, but I like these grits. For some reason, I asked her what was good, and she said grits here are good. Got me some eggs over easy and some wheat toast.
We have our Stray Dogs, which is most like a Coney Island style dog. It's made with Schwab's hot dogs, which are made here in Oklahoma City. We also have a chili cheese dog, a mac and cheese dog, a tabbouleh dog. We make our own tabbouleh here. Many people come here and say our pancakes are phenomenal. We do cinnamon rolls on Saturday mornings. Joe makes a fabulous sauce, and it just drapes over the cinnamon rolls. I hadn't thought about doing desserts when we opened, and within about less than a month, a woman approached me and she said, "I have a commercial kitchen. I would love to do desserts for you." We utilize my grandmother's crust recipe, other people's grandmother's fillings recipes in pies, and we bake every day.
We have breakfast here every week, and we love the French toast, and our friends, they have their special likes, and we just keep coming back.
This place is bomb. I like it. This place is good, good.